Zero waste made simple. 10 swaps to start your journey. Did you know the average person generates 4.5 pounds of trash every single day? Imagine the impact we could make by cutting that down to zero. In this video, I'll share 10 simple swaps to kickstart your zero waste lifestyle. No stress, no overwhelm. Zero waste living is all about minimizing trash that ends up in landfills by choosing reusable or compostable alternatives. It's not about being perfect, but about making better choices every day. The benefits? It saves money, reduces harm to the environment, and simplifies life by focusing on essentials. 1. Reusable grocery bags. Replace single-use plastic bags with cloth bags. Keep a foldable one in your bag or car for spontaneous shopping trips. 2. Glass jars for storage. Reuse jars from pasta sauce or pickles for grains, snacks, or even as water bottles. 3. Bamboo toothbrush. Switch from plastic toothbrushes to biodegradable bamboo ones. It's just as effective and much kinder to the planet. 4. DIY cleaning products. Make your own cleaning spray with vinegar and lemon. It's eco-friendly, effective, and budget-friendly. 5. Reusable water bottles. Invest in a high-quality water bottle. It's better for the environment and keeps you hydrated on the go. 6. Cloth napkins and towels. Replace paper towels with washable cloth napkins. You can even upcycle old t-shirts into cleaning rags. 7. Bar soap and shampoo bars. Ditch plastic bottles for solid bars. They last longer and are travel-friendly. 8. Beeswax wraps. Swap plastic wraps for reusable beeswax wraps. Perfect for keeping snacks and sandwiches fresh. 9. Compostable trash bags. Try biodegradable trash bags. Pair this with composting to reduce waste even further. 10. Shop in bulk. Bring your own containers to bulk stores for grains, nuts, and spices. It reduces packaging waste and saves money. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one swap and build from there. Join zero waste communities for tips and support. Which zero waste swap are you excited to try first? Think about it. Share this video with someone who wants to live sustainably. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Zero waste living isn't about being perfect. It's about trying. Together, we can make a big difference for our planet. See you next time.